Hello guys, welcome to new video and new episode. Today is not blog or funny video. We going to try to learn some necessary English language for our daily life. So watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, give a like and share it for others to see. So let's get started. Tamo khai tong. Okay, what are you doing? Nini nog buro. Where is your house? Nung mai chakha de. Okay, did you eat rice? Nini sinimong sadi. Okay, introduce yourself. Nini kami buro. Okay, where is your village? Nini mung tamo. What is your name? That is for today. Hope you like my video. And if you learned something by watching the video, give it a like and share it to give others a chance to learn. Thank you.